Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube if the sound is not working on Android. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, check your volume key, all right? Tap on or click on the volume up key to increase the audio. Now, if it's still not working, don't worry. You can just go ahead and swipe down, just like so. And if you're using Samsung, you just got to swipe down once more and then find Bluetooth. All right. Maybe you are connected to a Bluetooth device or speaker, or it could be an earbud. You might want to make sure that Bluetooth is disabled, and then once done, go ahead and test YouTube and check if it helps. Now, if that still will work, you can go ahead and check the Do Not Disturb button right here. You might want to disable it. Other ones don't check YouTube. If that still will work, well, just go ahead and restart your phone. Okay. Now, if you don't know how to restart your phone, some phones only require you to tap and hold on the power key until a restart button shows right on your screen. If that doesn't help, hold down the power key and then the volume down key simultaneously. Again, power key and volume down key until you have the restart option right here on your screen. So just tap on restart, wait for the process to finish, and then once that's done, check if it helps. Now, what if that still won't work? You can go ahead and find the YouTube app icon, tap and hold, tap on the information icon right here at the top right. Now go ahead and scroll down a bit and find storage. Tap on it, and then once done, tap on first, clear cache, and then after that, tap on clear data. All right, once that's done, close the settings section. Now go ahead and find your Play Store, find YouTube, just like so, and then update. All right, wait for the process to finish, and then once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. If that still will work, ensure that it's not only YouTube that's having the problem. Okay, you might want to check other apps or games if it's giving you any sound. If other apps and games doesn't give you a sound, well, that means that the problem is with your phone speaker, right? I hope this video helps, and I'll see you